My name is Dev in the Dark, and according to the name, you won't see my face, but one thing for sure you're gonna see is a lot of coding. So, who am I? I'm a developer who believes code should speak for itself. No personality code, no distraction, just pure development content. This channel is for everyone. This includes kids learning their first language, teens building their portfolio, others just wanting to code and chill. It's for all ages, all levels, like, in fact, everyone is all welcome. In Dev Dark channel, what to expect? I will say tutorials on Fridays. We'll talk about building great projects, working on it, and also some chill conversation about coding, careers, and just general life here and there. I'll teach you how and why. I'll be trying as much as possible to be very, very transparent with my mistakes. That's why instead of keeping it real. So, in terms of keeping it real, one thing I would say is I'm not that good at editing. I don't have the patience to edit. But I'll give it a try. And yeah, you guys, it's my mistake to try when it comes to editing videos, the voice or the sound. Keeping it real. So on Fridays, I'll try as much as possible to be here. You show up, I show up, and we'll see on Fridays. If you're ready to learn, just hit the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment by telling me where you are in your journey. Once again, I'm Dev in the Dark, and I hope to see you on Fridays, and let's build something amazing together. Thank you.